students. In the last class we learned the topic Huckleberry Junction in lesson 8, right? Poem, that is Little Raindrops. Now we are moving to the phonic junction. Now take your book, page number 76. Okay, phonic junction. Read these lines from the poem. Oh, where do you come from? You little raindrops. See here the bold letter, bold word. What is that? Little. How we are pronouncing the word little? See, L-E. How we are pronouncing? L. Okay. Now read these words. Pencil. See, pencil. In. Okay, pencil. Normal. Al sound, okay? Normal. Tunnel. Tunnel. L. Okay, next is cycle. Cycle. L. Okay, see here. In all these words, the letters in bold are pronounced the same way. See, these are all L. Okay, all these words are pronounced in same way. Here are some much more words. Read them aloud. Ends with L. Okay, first see, people, kettle. Come join with me. Middle. Okay. Now next one. L sound. Label. Camel. Chapel. Okay. See the next one. Al. Now we are learning the three sound. What are they? First one is L. Next one is L. And the next sound is Al. And the next one is Il. Okay, these sounds we are learning now. L-E, E-L, A-L, I-L. These sounds we are going to learn today. Okay, see here. First see L-E, people. L-E, people. See L-E, kettle. Kettle also L-E. Middle, L-E. Okay, next one E-L sound. See label. L-E-L. Okay, E-L sound. Label. Camel. Chapel. Okay, next one ends with A-L. See A-L. Sandal. A-L. Sandal. Okay, sandal. Hospital. Animal. Next one end with I-L. This lower sound. Council. Okay, council, council, sil, I-L, okay, devil, I-L, civil, I-L. Okay, these sounds we are going to learn today. Il, L, Al, Il. Okay, these are the pronunciation. Il, L, Al, Il. Okay, now see these words. Can you fill in the missing letters and complete these words? Now take page number 77. Now we are going to find the missing letters. Okay. See, first one. P-E-T. What will fulfill this word? How we can find this? Which one will come? L-E or E-L or A-L or I-L? Which will come here? Yes, petal. So, A-L. It comes under petal. So, first one is petal. So you want to write A-L. A-L sound it is. Okay. Next one B. T-A-B. What will come here? Yes, table. So which is the answer here? Yes. See here, table. L-E. L-E sound. Table. Okay. Next, third one. Yes, we easily find this word. What is this word? Yes, possible. So, which one will come? E-L or L-E? Yes, L-E. So, right? VOSSIBLE. So in the dash you want to, in the missing letter you want to write LE. Next, fourth one. See the fourth one. CAND. What is this? Yes, what we can fill it? LE, EL, AL, IL. Which is the correct one for this? LE. Yes, candle. Candle. So LE. Okay, next one. Caramel. Okay, so caramel. Caramel means EL. EL. In that missing letter you want to write EL. Next one. See, easily we will found. Yes, if you in the computer you are working means you don't want that slide means how, what we can do? Yes, cancel. What is the spelling for cancel? In which pronunciation it will come, which sound it will come? LE or EL or AL, IL. Which sound? Yes, EL. Okay, cancel. Cancel. So EL. Next one. See the G1. LOY. What is the word here? LOY. Yes. Which will come? LE, EL, AL, IL. You can say with it loyal. No. Loyal. No. Loyal. Yes, loyal means Viswasam, right? So loyal. AL. So in the missing letter we want to write AL. Next one. Festive. Festive. What is the missing letter here? Yes, AL. So festival. It comes under the sound al. Okay, festival. Al sound. Okay, next one. BAS. Bass. Okay. Next, what is the missing letter here? Yes, IL. Okay, IL. So basil. What is mean by basil? Tulasi. Okay. Okay. Tulasi in the house we can grow that plant, right? Yes. We are also we are able to eat that. It is good for cold also, cough. Yes. Yes. Next one. See J1. Yes, it is very easy, right? Example. So which pronunciation, which sound will come here? Yes, LE or EL or AL or IL. Which one is correct here? Yes, example. LE sound is correct. So example. LE. So we want to write LE. Okay, next one. K1. TOW. What is this? TOW. It is an object. Okay. Now we can find from this. LE, TOW, LE not come. TOW, EL. Yes. What is this? Towel. Yes. So it comes under this sound. Towel. EL. Okay. Next one. FIN. Fine. Okay, fine or fin. Okay, let me take it. Next, what will added here? What sound will added here? LE or EL or AL, IL. Which is the sound is correct for this pronunciation? Yes, final. So AL. It is the missing letter here. Okay. Now I am going to give you some words. This is homework. So just listen carefully. Now I am going to give you some words. For that words, you want to find these all pronunciations are coming on in that words. If it is coming means you want to put correct and what pronunciation, what sound is used. You want to write. Okay. If there is if that word is not comes under this sound or pronunciation means you want to just cancel. Okay. Okay. Now mark down the words. First one, capital. Capital. And second one, oil. And the third one, channel. And the fourth one, class. And the fifth one, cancel. And the sixth one, salmon. And the 7th one, cycle. And the 8th, nostril. And the 9th one, bullock. And the 10th one, pluck. 11, middle. 12, general. Next 13, fossil. Next 14, cloud. Look at these words. You want to pronounce these words and you want to find which sound here is used. If you find the sound, it is used in these words means you want to just write. If I will explain this first one, right? Yes, capital. See here, which sound is used here? AL sound. So you want to write capital, then you want to write the sound. Okay, then you want to write the pronunciation of this word. Okay, see here, next one, oil. Okay, see what sound is used here? IL. So this also we learn in these sounds. Yes, so this is here. So you want to write the sound. Okay, next one, up to 5, up to 4 I will do. Remaining 10 is your homework. Okay, up to 4 I will teach you, then remaining 10 is your homework. So listen carefully. Next, see EL. EL sound is here, huh? Yes. So you want to write the sound EL. L. Okay. Next one, see class. Is there any sound is here? No. See, yes, class. Here LEO and EL and AL and IL only there, no SS sound. So it will not come. Okay, so you would not want to do anything. Just put wrong in the bracket. Okay, not this sound is coming, right? So you not want to write anything. If the sound is coming means you want to split the sound and you want to write in the side. Okay, this is your homework. You learn about the sound. What are the sounds? Il, L, Al, Il. Okay, these sounds we learn today. What are the words we learn? Little, pencil, normal, tunnel, cycle, and also people, table, possible, candle, example. These all words are come under L. Okay, next L sound, label, caramel, cancel, towel. Okay, next Al sound, sandal, petal, loyal, festival, final. Okay, next Il sound, council, basil, evil, devil. Okay, these are all comes under Il sound. And your homework is remaining these 10. Okay, 10 is your homework. You want to find what these sounds where it is used. If there is used means you want to write like this. If there is no sound with these sound means you want to put cancel. Okay, this is your homework, students. Okay, students, I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you, students.